Hello and good day, everyone. Today, let's have a quick and fun review of basic mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ready? Let's begin. Okay, we're going to perform the indicated operations. We have the first question. What is 110 plus 15? Correct. 110 plus 15 equals 125. Great start. Next, what is 80 plus 50? Correct. 80 plus 50 equals 130. Next, what is 260 minus 110? That's right. 260 minus 110 equals 150. Next, what is 13 times 20? Correct. 13 times 20 equals 260. Next, what is 300 divided by 6? Okay, correct. The answer is 50. Next, let's solve 30 minus 5 minus 2. Correct. The answer is 23. How about this one? 20 plus 15 minus 3. An excellent work. Congratulations, everyone. You've just reviewed addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's keep practicing so math becomes even easier for all of you. See you in the next review, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.